Hi guys, look at this. Oh, what is this? Is this a ball squishy? Ball squishy. Is this a kisses? Kisses. Look at this. Look at the sound. I'm so scared. Guys. I think it's pop like a... Look at this. Wait lang. Okay. What the... What? Flashlighting. Weird flashlight. Weird. Oh my god. I'm scared. I'm here in Philippines. I'm from Philippines and I'm speaking English and sana po nakakaintindi po kayo ng ng Tagalog. Sana po nakakaintindi po kayo. I wish I speak you understand Tagalog. Yes. I wish you're speaking Tagalog. And look at this. And binili na namin to sa Bonda. Doon sa school ko kay Ate Pen. So thank Ate Pen dahil basta. And look at this. And sana po nakakaintindi po kayo ng Tagalog. And like and subscribe and bye. Ay, hindi pa pala. Ang satisfying ng tunog. Satisfying ba? Ang lakas. Wala. Hindi na umi. Grabe, nasisira to.